Hi guys, Melissa from Nature's Garden. Today I'm going to show you how to use our clamshell wax tarts kit. Let's whip it up! Alright, so before we start, let's talk about exactly what you're going to get with this kit. The first thing you're going to get is the Pillar of Bliss wax. You'll get 1 pound. You'll also get two fragrance oils, the vanilla bean, and then you'll get the apple cinnamon fragrance oil. In addition, you're going to get a couple of colorants, the yellow and the red Spectrum liquid candle dye. And then finally, you'll get 4 of the clamshells to put your tarts in. You're also going to need a pouring pot, a thermometer, and you'll need a pot to put some water in for a double boiler. And then you'll want to be able to separate out your pound of wax. So you'll want 2 bowls to mix each one in because we're going to make 2 different colors. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we are going to do is melt the Pillar of Bliss. So we're simply going to add it to our pouring pot. You do get 1 pound, like I said. So we'll be able to do a total of 4 clamshells. And then we already have our water heating. We just put a few inches of water in this pot and we have it already heating. So we're going to go ahead and put the pot of wax right in there. And then we're just going to wait for it to melt. And once it melts, we'll do colors and fragrance and everything. All right, so now that our wax is melted, we're going to go ahead and separate it into 2 equal portions. So we're going to remove it from our double boiler. And we have 1 pound of wax, so we'll separate it into 2 8-ounce bowls. Right. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and add color. We'll start with the yellow color. We're going to use one of the disposable pipettes that came with the kit. And we're just going to add a couple of drops. You really don't need much color. You will get quite a bit of extra. So we just added 3 drops to ours. Put this lid back on. And we're going to use our vanilla bean fragrance oil, and we'll go ahead and add that directly to the wax as well. Let me get that color stirred in first. And we'll go ahead and check the temperature of our wax as well. We're adding our vanilla bean fragrance oil, and then we'll just stir once again. And now we'll go ahead and do the red. So we'll use the apple cinnamon fragrance oil for this one and our red color. Again, we're just adding a few drops of that color. Keep in mind this is going to dry or set up a little bit lighter than what it looks when it is in a fluid state. And now we're just going to go ahead and set out our clamshells here. And we'll go ahead and pour the yellow ones. Okay, and the last thing is we just need to let them set up. So once they set up, we'll get them closed and we'll let them cure, and then they'll be ready to use. All right, so now that our wax melts are mostly set up, we're gonna go ahead and close them up, and we're just gonna let them cure for a couple days before we use them in our warmer. So making your own wax melts is really that easy. All right, there you have it. For even more kits and fragrance fun recipes and ideas, check out our website at www.naturesgardencandles.com. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, guys.